baker, welcome to my channel. This is Bilicious Dessert, where I teach you how to bake and decorate. On this channel, I'll be shedding light on your baking problems and decorating issues. We have a very hot weather here, so I'll be showing you and telling you how to manage your baking problems and how you solve them one by one. And I'll also be giving you solutions to all your questions. Try as much as possible to leave a comment at the comment section on all my videos, and I'll try as much as possible to attend to them one by one. Nigerian condition is a very peculiar condition. As you all know, it's a very hot place in the afternoons, so most of your work are being done in the afternoon. I'm going to try as much as possible to shed more light and to tell you how to manage your materials and how to work managing the condition of our situation in Nigeria. But if you're abroad, it doesn't leave you out. You can as well learn the process of getting things done when it comes to baking. And also, I'll be shedding more light on prices, range of different things, and where you can actually get them from, and the best place to get them in Nigeria. If you have any suggestion of any sort, you can leave it at the comment section below. Maybe a suggestion of a kind of video you would like to see on this channel. And if all this sounds like what you are interested in, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, give it a like, and share to anybody who has a dream and passion for baking. So please note that I'm not an island of my own. I also have my struggles. So I'll be taking you on this journey, and I'll be showing you all my struggles on the way. This will be all for now. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.